The electric vehicle market is rapidly evolving. Hyundai is at the forefront of this revolution with its new software brand, Pleos. Pleos represents a significant leap forward in EV technology. It aims to redefine the driving experience by creating software-defined vehicles. Hyundai's Pleos is poised to transform the automotive industry. It marks a new era of smarter and more connected EVs. Hyundai, a company known for its reliable cars, is shifting gears. It is transitioning from a traditional car manufacturer to a tech-driven mobility company. This strategic move positions Hyundai to lead the EV market. With Pleos, Hyundai aims to dominate the market with technologically advanced and efficient vehicles. This is a bold move that promises to reshape the future of transportation. Pleos is built on three core components: Pleos Connect, vehicle operating system, and cloud infrastructure. Pleos Connect is a next-generation infotainment system. It offers a user-friendly interface similar to a smartphone. Drivers can enjoy multi-window functions and an intuitive AI voice assistant. The Vehicle OS, developed in-house by Hyundai, ensures high performance and seamless connectivity. The cloud infrastructure serves as the brain of the Pleos ecosystem. It enables real-time data analysis, supports autonomous driving features, and optimizes route planning. This interconnected system ensures a smooth and personalized driving experience. Pleos goes beyond these foundational elements. It incorporates key features like advanced autonomous driving capabilities and convenient over-the-air updates. Hyundai understands the importance of collaboration. The company has formed strategic partnerships with tech giants like Samsung Electronics, Google, and Naver. These collaborations focus on advancing Pleos' technological capabilities and building a robust in-vehicle app ecosystem. Hyundai is also working with companies like Uber and Sokar to explore new mobility solutions. The first vehicles equipped with Pleos are expected to hit the market in the second quarter of 2026. Hyundai has set an ambitious target of having over 20 million Pleos-powered vehicles on the road by 2030. This ambitious goal highlights Hyundai's commitment to leading the charge in the EV revolution. Despite its potential, Hyundai faces challenges in its quest to dominate the EV market. Integrating new technologies and managing complex partnerships requires careful planning and execution. The current EE architecture, while advanced, might present limitations for future over-the-air feature expansions. To address this, Hyundai plans to transition to a centralized zonal architecture by 2030. Attracting and retaining top software developers is crucial for Hyundai's success. The company needs to foster a culture of innovation and provide a supportive environment for its engineers. Despite these challenges, Hyundai is well positioned to overcome them. The company's strategic partnerships, technological advancements, and commitment to innovation provide a solid foundation for future growth. Hyundai's Pleos is not just a step forward, it's a giant leap towards a future where cars are smarter, more connected, and more sustainable.